Happy Friday, Cougars.
No, silly, it's Thursday.
Oh, yeah.
Happy Thursday.
Well, anyways, this is MMSA student announcements for Thursday.
October 12th.
I'm Justin Wilson.
I'm Joy Horton. And
once
this
again,
is MMSA Student News.
She got it.
So first of all, we're going to start off with parent-teacher conferences that are today. Please make sure your parents know. It is so important for them to be able to know what's going on in your classrooms.
Second of all, at parent-teacher conferences, there's going to be a bake sale, and this bake sale is going to have all types of goodies to just come up and eat, and they're going to taste good because we know we've had taste tests, okay? So just be sure to bring a little bit of extra money to buy some for you, to buy some for your siblings, to buy some for your parents, because we know that we don't want to be sitting in these conferences with a growling stomach.
True. Also, there will be a CYSP dinner October 19th that will be held from 4:30 to 5:30. Please be sure to RSVP by October 17th so we'll have enough food for everybody.
There's also going to be a FAFSA and college info night on October 23rd. Now this goes out to juniors and seniors and their families. There's going to be college application information, there's going to be FAFSA information, there's going to be standardized test information for you juniors who aren't at that next step yet. Be sure to make it out, be sure to RSVP, that way you're not going to sit at this dinner with no food because you didn't let us know that we needed to prepare food for you, okay? RSVP and be sure to come. And just be sure to be ready to have that experience of having the University of Michigan representative be there as well. And just listen to what he has to say, ask questions about the U of M, and so on.
Also, there will be no school tomorrow for students only. Sadly, teachers, you'll have to be here. But students, please remember that there will be no school tomorrow, October 13th on Friday.
Furthermore, I know, she knows, the thirst is real sometimes. So when you decide to drink some pop cans or empty a 2 liter into a cup and you drink that, bring the bottle in. Student council is going to be beginning to go around the classes during advisory and collect pop bottles and pop cans for different fundraisers, okay? Bring your pop cans in, bring your pop bottles in, because we know that you guys are out there drinking pop sometimes. Be sure to bring them in and we'll be sure to collect them.
That concludes our announcements for October 12th, Thursday. We're going to give the broadcast to our weatherman, Marvin Pride.
Thursday, Cougars. Yes, I nearly said Friday there. But let's take a look at the weather today. Well, today is going to be just cloudy. You're not going to see sun. If you do, a couple glimpses of the sun. High is going to be at 65. Moving throughout the weekend to Friday, you're going to see rain showers, possible spotty rain showers at least, hitting 68. Moving into Saturday, sunny, gorgeous weekend, 73. Sunday, that's when the rain comes back in. You're gonna see highs up in the 70s, lows in the 40s, so the mornings are gonna start being cold, so wear those jackets every morning. Monday is going to be 58 degrees, so yeah, that cold front moves in on Sunday, which drops our temperatures down from 70 back down to 50. And we're going to be struggling to warm back up. By this time next week, we're going to be hitting just 60s, not 70s.
Grace Tate is here with the Alumni Spotlight, Alindria Dantzler from last year's graduating class.
Hello, today we have the wonderful MMSA alumni, Alindria. How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm good. All right, so I have a few questions for her. What are some tips you would give high school students?
Don't give up. High school is hard, so make sure that you follow your dreams. Everything else is extra.
Aw. What are you doing or plan on doing since high school?
Well, I started dual enrollment 10th grade year, so I graduated around the same time I graduated from MMSA, so now I'm working on my bachelor's degree. I'll be completing that within the following year.
That's amazing. She's working on her bachelor's degree on her first year of college. Excuse me. What was your favorite thing about high school?
My favorite thing about high school probably was the dances and the people that I was hanging out with. Homecomings were really fun.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Grace Tate.
I'm Audrey White.
And this is MMSA Senior News. Seniors. If you miss volunteering today during the bake sale, that's okay. We plan on having a hot cocoa bar during trunk or treat, so there'll be more info to come.
Seniors, we encourage you to draw something like a little doodle for our senior yearbook. It doesn't have to be anything like out of this world. It just can be like a little doodle, and you can give it to Mr. Jazinski when you're done.
Also, your first payment is due for senior dues. November 1st. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, go ask Ms. K, please. It is very vital that you turn in your senior dues.
Also, if you guys have not started your FAFSA, then please look into that. We are going to have a FAFSA night coming up, but you should still look into it on your own too.
Alrighty, we'll see y'all next week. You know what I mean?
Happy Friday, Cougars. This is Bianca with MMSA News, and today's Teacher Spotlight Week is Mr. McLeod, and we're going to ask him a few questions to get to know more about him. So the first question is, what inspired you to become a teacher?
I think a couple of teachers I had in high school really inspired me. I wasn't the greatest student when I was young, when I was your age, and I had a few that really kind of brought out that good student in me and inspired me to like want to do the same thing for kids.
Okay. And what did you expect from your students when you teach?
I expect them to just listen, try and absorb the knowledge that I have, and then put all the effort that they have in everything they do.
And what makes you happy about teaching?
Normally when you reach a difficult student, someone who's having trouble learning a concept and they finally get it, and like the proverbial light bulb goes on, I guess that's the big moment for me.
All right. Thank you, Ms.
Okay.
McLeod. This is MMSA News. Happy Friday, Cougars.
My quote of the day is to remember that you will never have another day like this one, so be sure to make it count.
And my quote of the day simply says, it's the will, not the skill. Have a great weekend, Cougars.